get asked on a semi-regular basis. Joe, what do you do with all your sawdust from the shop? Well, the answer used to be, I would just dump it in the woods at my shop, and that would kind of be the end of that. Now, I'm a small shop, relatively speaking, so I don't really produce that much sawdust, but it's still something. Last year, I reached out to our friend Trish, who raises chickens over at Friegel's Family Creamery in Long Green, Maryland. Trish told me that she would be more than happy to take the sawdust off my hands